Hi guys, welcome to my study channel Study Special with Cases. Today our topic is lens maker formula. Before the lens maker formula, we have to learn in convex lens or in concave lens how the refraction occur. Before that, how refraction occur in curved place. We studied that how refraction occur in plane. That means it is a plane mirror. If the refraction will occur, how the refracted ray move toward the normal or away the normal. It is about all about the plane mirror. But in curved mirror, lens, curved mirror, how refraction occur? Okay, let's. It is air medium and it is a this total is a convex surface material. Okay, convex surface material. It is a medium, it is an another medium. So I take it is mu1, we know this is rarer medium and it is denser medium of mu2. And here I place a object at the point of O. Okay, then the ray from object fall on the surface, lens surface, meet at this point. Let this point is A. Okay, then draw normal from the center of curvature. C is the center of curvature for this surface. Draw the normal. Listen. A light travel from rarer to denser. What will be happen? When light travel from rarer to denser, the light is moved toward the normal. We studied it before. Okay. Then it is rarer medium, it is denser medium. The light is follow at this point and it is the normal. This original path is, this is the original path, but it is bent. Why? Due to light traveling from rarer to denser, it bent toward the normal. It is bent toward the normal. Okay. And it is the one ray from the object and it is the another ray from the object. We know that if any ray traveling through the optical center, then its path will be same direction, no deviation. Then it is the another ray meet at this point. So there will be image form. Okay, and we know it is the object and the distance between optical center to object is object distance, that is u. What is the image distance? The distance between optical center to position of image, this is v, and we know it is the radius of curvature, so it is the center of curvature, so it is r is radius of curvature. Okay, understand? Then listen carefully. Listen. Always it is a plane, it is the mirror, it is the normal, it is the incident ray and it is the refracted ray. So it is I, it is the reflection ray or it is the refracted ray, any you can say anything. Okay, then it will be the refracted angle. So I want to say that the incident angle and the refracted angle always measuring with consider to normal. Okay, similarly it is the normal, it is the incident ray, so this angle will be incident angle. Let I take incident angle equal to theta 1. Okay, then what will be the refracted angle? It is the refracted ray, it is the normal, so it will be the refracted angle theta 2. Understand? Okay, then let's join this a perpendicular from the position of A. Okay, and take it is the angle of gamma, it is the angle of alpha, it is the angle of beta. Why? For solving our derive a simple formula. Okay, nothing to worry it. Okay, then listen, if I consider, then start our topic. This is not different, the small diagram of this. Okay, then from triangle OAC, from triangle, I again diagram here OAC. Okay, it is the what, sir? It is the angle theta 1, it is the alpha, it is the gamma. Theta 1 is outer angle, alpha and gamma is inner angle, and we know the outer angle is equal to sum of the inner angle alpha plus gamma, then theta 1 equal to alpha plus gamma. Okay, understand? In triangle IAC, in triangle, let me diagram. Okay, for your easy, IAC. Okay, and it will the outer angle gamma, it is the inner angle theta 2, it is the inner angle beta. Similarly, same concept, outer angle is equal to the sum of inner angle, inside angle, then gamma equal to theta 2 plus beta. If I want theta 2, then gamma minus beta. Understand? Okay, fine. Okay, then we know alpha, it is the alpha, and it is the right angle triangle. What is the right angle triangle? OA, let's this point is M, OAM. Okay, OAM. Listen, are you seeing? Okay, from triangle OAM, tan alpha, we know tan theta equal to P by B, sin theta equal to P by H, cos theta equal to B by H. And what is P? Front side is P. P is what? Front side. B is along side. Okay, then for tan alpha, it is alpha. For triangle, listen, for triangle OAM, it is the alpha. Okay, for tan alpha, what is the P? It is the P, it is the B, P by B, that means AM by OM, AM by OM. Consider this height, AM height equal to H, and we know OM is the object distance U, then tan alpha equal to H by U. Understand? Then go for triangle AMI. AMI. Triangle what? AMI. It is the beta. For tan beta, AM by MI, yes or no? And we know AM equal to H, MI equal to what? Image distance, then H by V. Again, another triangle AMC, it will be the gamma, yes or no? Gamma. Then tan gamma equal to, it is B, P, it is B, AM by MC. AM equal to H, MC equal to radius of curvature h by r. Okay, yes or no? Yes. Then listen, a ray travel from rarer to denser. If I apply, this is what? It is light traveling from rarer medium to denser medium. That means Snell's law will be applied. Then, according to Snell's law, mu 2 by mu 1 equal to theta 1 by theta 2. Understand? Then, cross multiplication, mu 2 into theta 2 equal to mu 1 into sin theta 1. For small angle, we can consider sin theta 1 equal to theta 1, sin theta 2 equal to theta 2. Yes or no? So, sin theta 2 equal in the place of sin theta 2, I replace theta 2. In the place of sin theta 1, I replace theta 1. Then, mu 2 theta 2 equal to mu 1 theta 1. Okay? Yes or no? Then, only now we have to put the answer. Listen, another here. Tan alpha equal to h by u. For small angle, tan theta equal to theta. So, alpha equal to h by u. Beta equal to h by v. Gamma equal to h by r. Okay. Then, mu 1 into, in the place of theta 1, I can replace alpha plus gamma. Alpha plus gamma. In the place of theta 2, I can replace gamma minus beta. Mu 2 gamma minus beta. Then I have to solve, multiply in each side. Okay. Then get into both in same side. Okay. Gamma 1 alpha, this is minus, put this side, it will be plus gamma 2 beta. Here gamma 2, mu 2 gamma, mu 1 gamma. Take gamma to one side. Okay. Then alpha equal to what? Alpha equal to h by u. Mu 1 into h by u plus mu 2 into gamma beta equal to h by v. H by v. Then if I common gamma, then what will be here? If I common gamma, h by r into mu 2 minus mu 1. Yes or no? I can write this way. In the place of gamma, I can put h by r. Okay. In all side have h, so I can cancel h. Then mu 1 by u plus mu 2 by v, that equal to mu 2 minus mu 1 by r. Okay. For sign convention, listen, it is the surface or not? That means it will be the axis. From this side it will be positive, from this side it will be negative. For this axis, for upper it will be positive, for down it will be negative. So, object is this side, so u is negative. Image will be for this side, so v is positive. And r also this side, so r will be positive. If we put this sign convention in this, then what will be there? Mu 1 by minus u plus mu 2 by v, that equal to mu 2 minus mu 1 by r. Understand? Okay. Then I can put it mu 2 by v minus mu 1 by u, that equal to mu 2 minus mu 1 by r. Understand? Then this is the all due to for when the light traveling from rarer to denser. Okay. If it is the what? Rarer to denser. If denser to rarer, Consider this light will be travel from this side. Then what will be the formula? Nothing to worry. What have to you do? Replace in place of mu2 of mu1, and in place of mu1 replace mu2. Nothing you have to change, only replace the place. In the place of mu2 you place mu1, in the place of mu1 you place mu2. Then you will be get the answer for denser to rarer. Then put mu1 by v minus mu2 by u, that equal to mu1 minus mu2 by r. It will be the rarer to denser, and it will be the denser to rarer. Understand? Clear? Okay. Then go for lens maker formula. Then listen, before go for to the lens maker formula, you have to a very important basic idea. In case of lens, when refraction occur, in case of lens where refraction occur, listen, the lens means what? It is a spherical mirror, and it is a spherical mirror. If I join two spherical mirror, then it will be a form of lens. Yes or no? Then due to two spherical mirror, there will be two refraction. Every surface have one refraction. Due to addition of two spherical mirror, there will be two refraction. Then how this refraction will be happen? Okay, listen, here is the object. Here is the object. Who due to this surface, there is fast refraction, and due to this fast refraction, a image will be for what? A image will be here or here, anywhere. Suppose here the image will fall. And for the second refraction, this image act as a object, and here will be the final image. Understand or not? Listen, I again repeat. It is the first object. Due to two surface, there will be two refraction. For the first refraction, this object, this AB is a like object. Due to fast refraction, there will be image will form. For the second refraction, this will be act as a object. For the second refraction, this image act as a object, and here will be the final image. Listen, then so how will be the ray diagram? Okay, listen. In next diagram we study the how the ray diagram. Okay, then what is the lens maker formula and what is its basic? Listen, I place, here is the object. I again repeat. Okay, don't be bored. It is the such basic idea. If you understand this basic idea, then you go for thousands of numerical on the base of refraction on lens. Okay, so don't be bored. If you boring, then I can't tell any joke in this video. I will try to joke at the last. Okay, then carefully listen carefully. Okay, then here is the object, and due to this surface there will be fast refraction. Okay, fast refraction, and due to the fast refraction, the image will be formed, and this image for the second refraction act as a object. So it is called virtual object. Why? This is the image of first refraction. Still, it act as an object for second refraction, and it will be the final image. Okay, then how the ray diagram will occur? Listen carefully. From the object, a rays go and touch the this surface, okay, and it will be the normal for this surface of lens. Then from rarer to denser, it is the rarer medium and it is the denser medium. When the light traveling from rarer to denser medium, its original path will be this way, yes or not? Due to light travel from rarer to denser medium, it will bend toward the normal, okay, it is the normal, it is the bend toward the normal, okay. Then here will the another normal for due to the this surface. When light travel from denser to rarer medium, it away the normal and it is the normal, so it will away the normal and meet at a point. It is the first ray. Then what will be the second ray? Second ray is this. When the light ray traveling from optical center, there is no deviation, and at this point the two rays are meet, and so the image is formed here. We studied in before case where we find the image when two rays meet, that will our image point, okay. Then listen, for fast refraction image will be here, yes or not, and object is this. For fast refraction object is this, so it is the object distance. Image is this, so it is the image distance, okay, yes or no? Yes. And the fast refraction is rarer to denser. Then we can put this formula before we derive this formula, okay. Then mu2 by v1 minus mu1 by u, that equal to mu2 minus mu1 by r1. You can say, sir, what is r1 and what is r2? R means radius of curvature. For a lens, r1 equal to r2 equal to r. So don't worry, you can put r1 in place of r2 also, okay. Then second refraction, what? It is the first refraction. Object is here, image will be here. For second refraction, I told the image will be act as a object. So second refraction, it will be the what? Image distance, a object distance. It will be the object distance. So v1 is object distance. Image is here and v is the image distance. Sorry. For the first refraction, here is the object, u is the object distance, and image will form o dash, so v1 will be the image distance. But second refraction, this image act as a virtual object. For the second refraction, real object is this, okay, and image will form here, and this distance is object distance, this distance is image distance, and radius curvature is r2, okay. But what is second refraction? This is denser to rarer. One is rarer to denser and it is denser to rarer. For denser to rarer, we can put the in place of mu2 mu1, in place of mu1 that is mu2. So mu1 by v minus mu2 by v1, that equal to mu1 by minus mu2 by r2, okay. If you don't understand, then repeat this video. This YouTube is your. This YouTube is for only you. This video is only for you. How many times do you want? You can refer it and study it. And main thing is, note this. When I reading it, you have to note. Without note, you cannot understand. Okay? Then this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Adding both equation, mu2 by v1 minus mu1 by u plus mu1 by v minus mu2 by v1, and RHS mu2 minus mu1 by r1 plus mu1 minus mu2 by r2. Okay, then listen, this will be the, sorry, it will be the same, so I can cancel it. mu1 by v minus mu1 by u. Here, if I common, this is the common, yes or no, that means what is it? Minus of mu2 minus mu1 by r, yes or no, then it will be the common. If I common mu2 minus mu1, then 1 by r1 minus of 1 by r2. Okay, here will be also common mu1 common, 1 by v minus 1 by u, that equal to mu2 minus mu1, 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2, and this is multiply. If I put from this side, it will be divide, so it will be divide, and it will be the cancel, 1 by v minus 1 by u, mu2 by mu1 minus 1, 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Then here will be the condition. At before class I studied that mu1 is what? Medium of refractive index of Rarer. mu2 what? Refractive index of denser. mu2 by mu1 means refractive index of denser by refractive index of rarer. If the refractive index is rarer in this side, I can set it will be the absolute refractive index. So in place of mu2 by mu1, I can place mu only. Okay, then in place of mu2 by mu1, I can place mu minus 1. Listen, if object at infinity, where will be the image? In the case of convex lens, we studied that if object is infinity, image will be at focus point. If object is at focus point, image will be infinity. So image will be at focus point. If the object is at focus point, what will be the image distance? Image distance is what? F. So v equal to f, u equal to infinity. Then 1 by f minus 1 by infinity, mu1 minus 1, r1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. 1 by infinity equal to what? 0. Then 1 by f equal to mu minus 1, 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Okay. Then see equation 3 and equation 4. Equation 3, this is LHS, this is RHS. Equation 4, this is LHS, this is RHS. Both have RHS same. If the both have RHS same, then both have LHS will be same or not? Yes. Then 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. It is your lens maker formula. Listen carefully. This is a method. Your book have another method, but this method cannot be wrong. No any teacher say that this method is incorrect. It is very easiest method, very simple method. So if you have CHSE medium or CBSE medium or any medium, don't care, follow this. No one can say this method is incorrect. If anyone say this method is incorrect, then I will delete my account. Okay, understand? Then this is our last topic of this today. So like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Yes, yesterday was Independence Day, so happy Independence Day. And our Mr. Captain Cool retired, so it was very sad. Still, you work hard and study hard. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.